everybody, so today, welcome to Phyllis. Or Phyllis the chef. So we are going to make homemade enchiladas, but it's gonna be, instead of beef enchilada, it's gonna be chicken enchilada. So my first step, okay, I have my pot on sauteed just so it'll preheat itself, right? And then I have 2 chicken breasts here. So let's see, maybe y'all can see that. I just washed my hands before I picked up the camera with y'all. So what I'm gonna do is open this container. I'm just gonna use this knife because it's easier to open. Okay, and then, okay, so here's our chicken, right? You grab a fork so I don't have to touch it with my hands. Okay, so I'm literally, okay. 1 chicken on the rack. Second chicken on the rack, okay? And it's in the center. Alright, now put this in the sink. It's raw meat. Do not touch that. And then I have some water. Peter's bread. Okay, I don't have my camera stand up today, so just bear with me real quick. Alright, so as you can tell, my Instant Pot is hot, right? So now we say cancel, manual, oops, manual, and then we want to say 50 minutes, okay? So, now that that's starting to cook in here, I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Okay. Alright, there's a little bit of water down there, guys. So now, I'm going to put the lid on. Keep the seal in the middle. Okay, the seal's in the middle. And so when it's done, the seal will flip on this side when it's completely released. On for 50 minutes. I just wrapped this up just now. Taught that in here. Come over here. What's the most important when you touch raw meat? Wash your hands. So, that's step 1. Alright guys, as soon as the chicken is done, then it has to cool for me to be able to handle it anyways. And then I will go ahead, I'm gonna just make all these anyways. I have enchilada sauce, so it tells me what I need in here for the rest of it. Homemade enchilada sauce, okay? I'm gonna add just a couple more things of ours that I know people like. Here's this, here's some pans, and I'm gonna freeze them. I may go ahead and make a second video of homemade lasagna the way I do it as well. So, stay tuned for me finishing up the enchiladas for y'all. Alright guys, so our Instant Pot has 28 minutes left. So during that time, I'm going to come over here. Let me move these clean dishes out of the way really quick. But I'm going to go ahead and come here and hold on one sec. Okay, so now that I have my stuff situated here, let me go ahead and get started. So, how much does this make? It makes for 8 servings. So, I will go ahead and get the sauce going. Literally, it's just sauce, tomato, or the mixture, water, tomato sauce, bring to a boil, and reduce and simmer. So, I'm actually going to do 2 of these packages into this pan here. That way, it'll make it much easier to go ahead. So, I need this 1 package, 1.5 cups of water. So I'm just going to do 2 packages and just kind of go based off of that. So there's 1 package. Here is my container for water. So I need 1.5 cups of water. Okay, I'm going to do another 1.5 cups with the other package. A little too much. Okay. Alright, let me add the other package. It smells good, so good already, guys. Okay. And then 1 can of tomato sauce. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Let's see if I have that, I hope. Well guys, I only have this can of tomato sauce. So this is a 29-ounce can, so I'm going to do 8 ounces, which is right here, same measuring cup. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so just so this will not splatter everywhere. Actually, I'll probably just do it this way, make it easier. Okay. Eight ounces, by the way, guys, is 1 cup. Okay, so there's 1 8-ounce. Oh, so 1 cup, that means I'll just fill it up twice. So 2 cups, which will fill up this whole container. 2 cups, okay? See the line? It's right at the 2 cups. Alright, so I'm going to turn our pan on medium. We do not want any of this to burn. Alright. So, let's give this a stir with our whisk. Because what I'm going to do, actually, I'm just pre-making these in some containers and I'm going to put them in the freezer. One of these dishes is for a friend of ours from church. And then I'll have backup for Peter, and if we have guests. I cannot eat this because tomatoes and spicy foods I no longer can eat, which is quite alright for me. So, While this simmers, it'll come to a simmer. Bring it to a complete boil. Turn it down to simmer for 5 minutes. So since I'm having 2 of them, I'll let it simmer for 10. So let me go ahead and pause you guys, and I'll bring it back to you once it gets to the boiling stage. I was saying, that will complete our enchilada look. Enchiladas, wrap it with some plastic or parchment paper and foil on top of that. Write what it is. Bake it at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes until the cheese and everything is bubbling and the center is bubbly. And then there you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.